is a GMC. We actually just took this in not too long ago, so it's in our recon department. It needs to be cleaned up, but it's looks like it's in great shape. A little constrained. I can't get all the way around the truck here, but good you can see inside here, but the seats and stuff are clean. There's the back seat. Carpets and stuff are all good. Like I said, we gotta get this in through recon, so it's you can see it's got 15,000 miles on it. Anyway, when I get this cleaned up, I could get a better picture for you probably.